everybody, we're going to make a Dorito casserole, and you need a bag of Doritos of your choice, and you need cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup of salsa. You need an 8x8 pan, but mine's in use, so I'm using a 9x9. I've got 2. And you need 2 cups of Mexican cheese, your choice. And a pound of hamburg meat with taco seasoning. And you mix the taco seasoning right in. And there it is right there. And you follow the directions of your taco seasoning on the packet. So let's get started. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. But we're going to put the can of chicken in. Sorry for my reach here. I'm trying to do a better angle with my camera. A cup of salsa going right in. And we only want a cup of cheese. This is a 2-cup packet. So we'll go like that. And we want to put this in. This is taco meat. If you have any grease, drain it out, but I did not. I use 90% hamburg. That's what I always try to use. Just like that. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to mix it all in. Just like this. Just like this. I thought, well, I'll use my new tripod and my remote control. Thought I had it running correctly. I didn't. So we'll just wing it. How's that? It's raining here in Maine, and it was 67 earlier. There you go. Doesn't that look yummy? Then you're going to take the Doritos. Oops. Here. A little mess. And you're going to take a handful of Doritos, and you're just going to crunch them up. You're just going to crunch it up, just like that. Ray, could you get me some foil out of the drawer, please? I forgot. And you want to put 1 layer of Doritos down. Mr. R come home early today, so he will be our taste tester. And like I said, you just want to cover it, make a layer, and you want to layer it, and then you're going to put the cheese on top. You're going to put it at 350 in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, that's okay. Ray's making a little noise. Then we're going to take this, and we're just going to layer this on. Just like this. Oh, I bet. Oh, it smells wicked good.
Looks good too.
Does it look good? Thank you, Ray.
It does. This is different.
That is different. This is the first time I've made this before.
That cheese in there, I'm sorry.
That is cheese. Cheese and salsa and hamburg meat and taco seasoning.
That looks good.
Thank you. And then we're going to crumble up some more Doritos. There's a loose one, Ray, if you want it, right by my belly. Ray's going in for the loose one. Don't have to tell Ray about that. Okay. And we just crush them all up, just like this. Just for those that have been praying for Bubba. Bubba has not returned home. Yeah, oh, that's right. We're just heartbroken over the whole thing. So if you still can hold him in prayer, who knows? He may still show up.
Hey, talk about your Baltimore Orioles.
Yes, today we got the Baltimore Orioles that came. Okay, it's time for another layer. Just like this. A little dab of do ya. Like I said, you're supposed to be using an 8x8 pan, but I'm using a 9x9 because I've got 2 desserts in my other pan waiting for Ray to eat it up since I've slowed down on desserts. So we're going to do another layer. This will be our last layer. And it really does smell yummy. I think it's the taco seasoning and the salsa together. It just makes it that pop. I wish I could bring you right over into what I'm doing to show you, because it's so yummy smelling. Yummy, yummy in this Grammie's tummy. Okay, now we're gonna put the end of this mixture in right here. I guess even excuse me, even though if the remote didn't work, it's still coming out okay, so that's a plus. Just like that. I'll figure out all this computer gadget one of these days. There. That's going to be perfect. Perfect. And then we're going to layer it with the last amount of cheese that we have, which would be right here. Lay it right up. Good. I want to get my hand in the way here. I'm not a left-handed, but that's all right. What is it called? Ambidextric? I used to be both. I sure could hit a good baseball left-handed, and I'm not even left-handed. Okay, just like that. And the next thing you want to do is you want to take some aluminum foil and you want to spray it. Just like that. And you're going to put this in the oven. You're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Whoops. You're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Then you're going to take it out, take the foil off, and put it back in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'll bring you back when I take it out, and Ray can taste it for us.
There we go.
Okay, here we go. Ray, cut into it.
This came out of the oven, so it might be kind of warm.
Well, yeah, look at the steam. Let me follow you here.
You get it?
I got it. She's steaming hot.
Looks good. Okay.
So what are you going to do? You're going to take a little taste test for us?
Yeah, I hope.
Maybe if you pick it up, I can get you better.
Okay, you can get it better.
I can't stand my legs just...
Let me get my plate.
Okay. Okay, Ray's going to give us a taste test. So, Mr. R?
Here we go. I don't know about hot. Good.
Good as in, what can you taste?
I can taste the salsa, the hamburg, the cheese. Can't really, I don't know about the chips, really.
Yeah? How's the flavoring?
Hot.
Hot?
No, I mean, it's just, it's just really too hot to really enjoy, I guess I want to say.
Okay, but can you taste the flavors of the taco seasoning and
Everything,
salsa?
the taco seasoning.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, guys, if you
Very
like
good.
this video, you just got the results from Mr. R. Nice and cheesy.
Good.
It's good. I was going to try to get a plate shot, but I
Sure.
guess I'll do that after. Okay, if you like this video, please give me thumbs
Thumbs
up.
up.
And you never know what's going to be on our videos. Have a great day. Share my videos. Find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook.
God bless.
God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.